Hello, nice to be with you. My name is Michael Millerman. Thank you so much for considering this course on Plato's Republic. An amazing book, needless to say. And whether you do the course or not, I recommend this translation by Alan Bloom. His translator's introduction, his interpretive essay, they're invaluable guides and resources for you as you study Plato. So the way the course looks, in case you're wondering, is that it's a video recording of a seminar I ran on the book, where each session is about 2 hours. We had one session per book of the Republic. It's divided into 10 books, so we had 10 sessions. And we go through it carefully, trying to reconstruct the arguments and trying to pay attention to the dramatic details, all under the guidance of a great scholar of the history of political philosophy named Leo Strauss, and a certain group of his students, including Alan Bloom. As well, it's unique among other Millerman School courses in that it's primarily, as I said, a recording of a seminar. So you'll see some question and answer, some interaction, and some things that don't normally get captured in just a video lecture course format. Thanks again for your time and interest. I invite you to register, and I'll see you on the other side.